How to export in different resolutions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Deliver page where all the export settings are located. This is where you will control the resolution and other output details. At the top of the render settings, name your file and choose the destination folder by clicking on Browse. This ensures your exported video will save where you want. Next, move down to the render settings panel and open the video tab. Here you will find the resolution drop-down menu. You can select common presets like 1920 by 1080 Full HD, 1280 by 720 SD, or 3840 by 2160 4K, or enter a custom resolution by typing the width and height manually. After choosing the resolution, check the format and codec options. For example, H.264 is great for most online platforms. Adjust the bitrate if you want to balance file size with quality. Make sure the frame rate matches your project's requirement or the platform you are exporting for. When all settings are set, click Add to Render Queue on the bottom right. Then press Render All to export your video. If you want different versions for various platforms, just repeat these steps with different resolutions and export again. And that's it. Now you know how to export in different resolutions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.